yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kemei 1855. I didn't buy it with a box. It came with this pack. So then I just put it inside this box right here. And it's a brushless motor. So it looks like this. And there are two colors. So I took the black one. It was a little bit cheap and I just wanted to see how it is, you know. So this is it. Let's put it aside. Inside it comes with the manual, some guide combs, little brush, and a charging cable. It's not a USB-C. So this is the trimmer. They got a clipper and a trimmer for it. And in case if you don't know, VGR also got the same, but with another model number. It is the same, just the housing here is a little bit different. I don't know if maybe VGR got the one with LCD display, but the one I saw from VGR with the LCD display is not a brushless motor. And Kemei got also the one that is not a brushless motor. I'm gonna put the picture somewhere here. So both of them, they are not brushless motor. This is the charging port and the LCD display. This is the power button in the back. See this? Just a little grooves. So the model number is 1855, like I said before. And the blade, so TPOB cycle blade or crazy blade can fit to this hair trimmer, but it's better to use the bracket of this Kemei. Babyliss blade can also fit also, but you need to use this bracket on it. So, and this is how much I can zero gap this blade. You can see. So now let's make a sound check. This trimmer got 3 hours charging time, 210 minutes operating time, and 2000 milliamp battery, 7200 RPM. Now let's make an RPM test. So that's the unboxing of this Kemei hair trimmer, Kemei 1855. Peace, man.